Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi Q5. So from the, you've got here menu, if you click on the menu, that's the screen anyway. But if you go to telephone, click telephone, second button down on the left, it says search for new mobile, there's nothing connected. So search for new mobile, click search for new mobile. Now we're making sure that Bluetooth is switched on here. And then we're looking out at the bottom. Click continue for the system to look for a phone. Might take a few minutes. I've only just deleted this phone from this system. Right, so it's found Barry's iPhone there, an Audi MMI 2027. So we'll click yes there on the thing. We want hands-free. There we go. Bluetooth pairing request pair. It's just asking if the numbers match. It does, so we'll click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Bluetooth connection has been established, and it should be right at the top there. Connected. That's it.